update for Steve St. Angelo readers and listeners. I haven't been on in a few weeks. We've been the quietest time of the year. I haven't done this now for 42 years. There are just certain things that are inherent you know are going to happen. From the middle of June to the middle of August, demand for metal is slow and the price usually creeps down. But today I want to talk about a bigger situation, and that is a situation that occurred during the financial crash 2007-8. We saw silver, gold went up, stock market went down 30-something%. Everything got hurt except gold, including silver. Silver went down to below $10 an ounce. And I would get on there and I would do my updates, and I would say, you'll never see, and it sat there and it sat there for like 20 months, right in that $9 to $10 range. But when it moved, and from the end of 8 to the end of 2011, silver went from $9.50 to over $47. And all that was happening is it was building up, and it exploded up. We're in that exact same position. The only difference is the floor then was $9.50, and that was 10 years ago exactly. Now the bottom is $15.80. Why did I say $15.80? Is I record this on Monday morning, July 16th. Silver's at $15.80. If it were to close today at $15.80, it would have a 5-time bottom at $15.80 in the last year and a half. This for traders is an incredible bullish figure. So if we see this and see it sit there, when it explodes, and we know that historically when we get past the middle of August, silver always goes up. I'm talking about just about every year in my 42 years of doing this. You cannot find a better time while premiums are low and we are able to buy excessive inventory from major wholesalers that don't want to hold. Their bids are being hit with more than they want to sell, more than they want to buy, so they want to sell some. So we've got some incredible deals on silver right now, junk silver and Philharmonics, and we're only 1 week away from the Krugerrand. They'll start being shipped a new coin in the silver market made by the Rand Mint in South Africa, and we'll start selling those a week from today on July 23rd, and we'll start getting the coins in from South Africa to go out August the 1st. So very exciting to see. This will be, I think, the 5th or 6th country that will have a sovereign coin backed by the government of that country. So you must look at this $15.80 bottom as the bottom. I'm not telling you it's impossible. It may drift lower, but I can tell you when it moves, and the rumors in Singapore are still running strong, that JP Morgan could go neutral to long at any time. If they did, then all these short positions that have kept the price down will explode. There's a lot going on in the gold market too. We've seen the first gold-backed cryptocurrency come out. I can't even pronounce it. It starts with a V. It's being used primarily in South Africa. You cannot buy it in the United States at this time, but it is being looked at by the Securities Exchange Commission in this country. So there are some real exciting things coming during a real season of doldrums going on right now, and probably will go on for another month before it lights fire. I remember last year it sat there, and then gold ended up 12.5%. And with gold down right now about 4% for the year, we're looking for a very strong move between the middle of August and the end of October. We're seeing a lot of proof that will happen, and certainly JP Morgan and others that are short in the market, both in gold, both in silver, and some in gold, but primarily we think will all go neutral to long. And we remember what happened from 2000 to 2011. Gold went from 256 to up to 1800. So that was when they were long and not short. So we can see this time it's probably going to be a lot more than 1,800. So anyway, it's time to ask your questions. Call us. If you're looking for an IRA, a self-directed precious metals IRA, we can help you there. Give us a call at 800-247-2812. That's 800-247-2812. And we'll be happy to bring you up to date. Call us about our current specials. Once again, that's 800-247-2812. And I can promise you one thing, I don't think you'll be sorry by taking advantage of buying your snow equipment in the summer, just like you buy your summer equipment in the winter. But this is right now. Gold and silver have been out of favor for a couple months, and we think it's getting ready to turn significantly starting in about a month, but you may not want to wait that long to be talking and doing your homework. With this update for SRS listeners, this is Tom Cloud signing out.